A lot of our clients grow in containers or outside of true soil environment. So I think there's a couple of interesting points here. One I think we should talk about is the idea of what can be added to give basic biodiversity. And a couple of things come to mind immediately. Obviously, compost that people can do themselves at home is a great way to get this. But there's also worm castings and insect frass that can both bring great opportunity as well.
Yeah, and with thermophilic composting, like hot composting, high temperature composting, there's all types of organisms coming in from the environment during the composting process, and especially those composts are colonized with diverse biology actually after the composting process and during the maturation time, right, where you let that product stabilize and these things come in. And they're really going to be, what's in there, we don't really know. It's going to be whatever is finding food in there, whatever the biology is in the surrounding environment. Yeah. With worm castings, a lot of that biology is coming out of the gut of the worms consuming these, as well as, other organisms that could be attached to the feedstocks, like the food waste, the wood chips, whatever are used for.
That's a really interesting thing for me about worms and worm castings is that you are getting, it's like a microbe factory. Like if 10 microbes go in the front end of a worm, 150 come out the back end. I mean, they're amazing things. I mean, you can definitely see why Darwin, basically after writing his first couple of books, took the rest of his life to just study worms. I mean, they're fascinating little guys. And then we've got, like I mentioned, something like insect frass as well, which is similar but has additional benefits sometimes to worm castings.
Yeah, insect frass is neat and has some additional things to it as well. For people who don't know, it is the manure from insects, right? And so it's also going to contain, fragments of insects and, exuded compounds, and including that is chitin, which is basically produced from the shells.
Yeah, and I mean, people would be familiar with this potentially from like crab and lobster shells, using that in organic agriculture, right? But obviously insects, crustaceans technically fall into the same sort of family tree there. So, it's the same sort of thing. And chitin has some very interesting impacts in terms of what it provides to plants. Not only the fact that it's a polysaccharide, but it's also got, some sort of immune boosting properties to it as well. Super interesting. And yeah, so I mean, insect frass is distinct from worm castings. And to be honest, if somebody can get a hold of both of them and use them together, I think you're going to get even more diversity.